Hey everybody. It's Friday. I think it's the 26th of May. I'm going to the Tiger game. Ange is going to be there. Ange and Corey and Ricky and just a bunch of people. I think Eddie's going too. Oh, let me give a quick shout out to Janine, Lisa, somebody else messaged me. I know Frank did. Frank Brands, Scott Miller. He gave me a shout out. I got a sore throat. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know if it's a cold coming on or what. I think it's just sinuses because I've been having the usual sinus problems for a while, ever since it got warm. But yeah, I'm gonna be headed down to the game here in about, I think in about an hour. The game starts at 6:50, and I think yeah, I think I'm gonna head down in about an hour. Right now it's like 4 o'clock, maybe a little before. Oh, I wish I wasn't having sinus problems, but I guess it could be worse. Martha, shout out to you. Just trying to think of people that who I haven't heard from in a long time is my first driver. What was his name? I know he lives on the East Coast. Shoot. I'm gonna have to look it up. Haven't talked to him in a time. Anyways, I'll look that up. And I don't even know who the Tigers are playing tonight. I have no clue. Don't know what their record is. Haven't been paying much attention to sports since a couple weeks ago. There's no fights this weekend. None that I could find, anyways. You know, the big like UFC and Bellator and bare knuckle, and so that's usually what I do on the weekends, as y'all know. Oh, it's a bumpy road. So Ford, just to change the subject, Ford's coming out with a new van for van lifers. And Eddie was telling me about it, and he thought it was going to be cheap, like 40 or 50,000. For there's Ann just calling me right now. I'll be right back with y'all. So Ange was calling me on FaceTime, and it wouldn't go through for some reason. I had a signal, but she must not have, because I could see her, but it was like in slow motion, and it kept shutting off, and then finally it went off. So I think she's probably telling me that she's headed down to the ballpark. So Ange just called, and I talked to her, and now I'm by my sister Carol's house. I got a box sent here that I have to pick up, so I will be right back. I got the box that I was picking up from my sister's house, and I called Eddie, and we're gonna meet and head downtown. So I'll see y'all downtown. Hit me. Hey everybody, guess who's here? She moves as I move the camera. Angel's here, and Corey's here, and Eddie's here. He brings a Coke. He brings a Coke for himself, and
what's
not us.
It was with the food earlier.
What's in that Coke?
The good stuff.
We're going to the ballpark, but we parked in this parking deck, and as you see the well, you can't see this. Maybe you can. All the windows are blocked, so you can't jump. I don't know if I ever told that story or not, but a guy jumped and almost landed on me.
Oh, that's why they got this.
Yeah.
I know you told it to me a long time ago.
Yeah, it took a few people before they installed them, but the one that almost hit me was the one, like 3 days later they installed them.
Smile, you're on camera.
Ugh.
Smile, you're on camera.
Okay.
That's what I did too.
Yeah. So we are on the orange floor, the 9th floor. So, all right, see you in a bit. Peace.
Where's the nearest Outback?
Y'all remember that from last time? Well, I'm here again. That was from my last video. All right, we're in the park. We snuck in. We got through. Whee! There's some guys getting the field ready for play. We're really early today. We're like 2.5 hours early. We're a long way from there, but there's the Polish dancers and in groups that are going to be performing here at Comerica Park. They're all in their Polish outfits and whatever. Believe it or not, that was me a long time ago. When I was a real little kid. My mom put me in that, and I hated it. Literally hated it. But I love my heritage, so that's all that matters. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Polish American. 52nd annual. want to see what Ange is eating? Look at that. I think it's pulled pork and nacho chips and salsa and sour cream and some other stuff. Cheese and some other stuff. See? I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing. I always get my thumb in the front like that.
I need to get more footage. I need a lot more footage.
You think I will?
What?
You think I will?
I need more footage. Hey, what's up, everyone? So. Did you turn your volume up? You didn't have the volume up.
Yeah, I did. I'm redoing it again. New video.
Why are you turning your video or your volume up?
Look.
The Tigers, third baseman, number 39, Zach.
Mullet.
That girl up with the carrot. Oh my god, you see that beard?
Yeah. That was the longest beard I've ever seen.
Oh, imagine having to sleep with it.
Can you imagine the bugs in it?
Yeah.
Can you believe her? She's talking about some guy's beard.
Hey, I know, like, look at this thing. Look at that beard. We're talking about a guy's beard. Keeps him warm, he says.
Yeah. This keeps me warm.
Do you like... Hey, I have a question for you guys. Do you guys like having a beard?
Love it.
Sometimes.
I'm lazy, so that's the reason. Yeah. That's the only reason.
Corey gave me his sweater. He was very kind to do that. I have rips in my jeans, so...
You got Corey cold as hell.
Corey loves the cold.
Look at this. Look at this. He gave her the sweater.
Yeah, no, that's true love right there. He took off his. He's freezing. You can tell because look at that.
I work outside.
And where's his shirt at? On her lap. Now that's love. I would have never given her my jacket.
Huh? What's that? You gave me your sweater. It's in the car, though.
Yeah, I did give her a sweater today, or a hoodie, a Tiger's hoodie. She'll have to wear it in one of her next videos.
Or to show you guys at one of the clips in this video.
But she said all I give her is used clothes, so. because I tried it on, it didn't fit, so I gave it to her. So therefore it was used. Oh, and that hat.
I wasn't.
She got a new hat.
It's Polish.
Yeah.
What's up? What's up? What? What?
It was yours.
You really suck at this.
about it. There's a few more going up, but not too much. Just about over with. Pretty good. Not bad. Not bad fireworks for a baseball game. All right, there we go. Back to reality. All right, see y'all later. Eddie, good night.
Hit me.
See ya. See ya. And my nose is running. I'm like I got a cold or something. Hey, wait, I had them on there last week. They only get you only get one. She just assaulted me. I need an officer. She just assaulted me. I need an officer. Hey, everybody. Well, still ain't the end of the night. Eddie's dropping me off at the van at the Green Machine here in a little bit. I'll be back in about, I don't know, about 10-15 minutes. We're just leaving downtown.
Good night.
Yeah. We were just talking about how bad the Tigers are. At the end of the game, the Tigers were losing so much that they just put up. He wasn't even a pitcher. They just threw in a guy. And the guy was lobbing the ball over the plate at like 38 to 42 miles an hour, and just hoping that the guys would like ground out or not hit a home run. But they ended up scoring 3 runs off of them. But it was pathetic the way they were playing today. They were only 2 games out of off, you know, being a 500 team, but now they're 3 games. And so that's the end of the night. So, yeah, we'll see y'all tomorrow when this is posted. Let me know what y'all think and about them fireworks. I thought they were really nice. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace, everybody. Good night.